In today's world, AI plays an important role in our daily lives, so I've decided to discuss a concept that came to my mind. In this concept, I'll discuss how AI could become an extension of human intelligence. Let's explore this fascinating idea, where AI systems like ChatGPT evolve by learning from user interactions. I tried to explain how we, as humans, are playing an important role in creating a mirror of our intelligence. We are all familiar with the growing use of AI in our daily lives, and many of us are already using it to perform various tasks. There is no doubt that AI can enhance our skills and help us perform better. However, I want to draw attention to an interesting concept, which I have named the copy brain. We all have used different AI tools, but I'll focus on ChatGPT here because its model is ideal for explaining my concept. ChatGPT serves as a great example of the copy brain idea. We know that ChatGPT holds a certain amount of data, and this data expands over time, improving its capacity. Based on this data, ChatGPT provides responses that are usually correct and aligned with our needs, even if there's an occasional mistake, but we, as users, can correct it, which helps refine ChatGPT's responses. Now, here is a key point. For example, if I know something that ChatGPT answers incorrectly, then I can point out the error. This method improves the AI's performance not only for me but for all users. This enhances its overall intelligence. Although your personal chat isn't shared with others, but this doesn't matter because the key point is the improvement of the intelligence, which is ongoing and ultimately beneficial for human civilization and development. As we know, human evolution has largely been built on the sharing of information. It is through this collective knowledge that we've been able to develop advanced technologies like AI. However, we must remember there is a key difference between human and artificial intelligence. Human intelligence is unique and cannot be replicated. For instance, it's impossible to create a perfect copy of the mind of a great politician, engineer, or scientist. In contrast, artificial intelligence can be copied and shared because it is in digital form. If someone trains an AI, that AI's capabilities can be duplicated and its knowledge can be transferred. A mother AI could even retrieve specific skills from its slave AIs that have been trained on particular tasks. So, where does the concept of the copy brain come from? Although ChatGPT helps us by providing information from data available on the internet, it also opens a unique session for each user that stores the questions and conversations specific to that user, much like a history log. ChatGPT remembers previous discussions, and it can recall that information if needed. This recall feature becomes especially useful when conducting research or solving complex problems. Essentially, the conversations you have with ChatGPT help improve its intelligence, making it better over time. In short, the data you share with ChatGPT is unique to your session. This means that if someone else asks ChatGPT the same question you did, but they don't have the background knowledge you provided in earlier conversations, their answer might not be as precise or accurate as yours. This implies that if a user has previously shared relevant knowledge with ChatGPT, their responses will be more informed and sensible. In this way, human intelligence is indirectly transferred to artificial intelligence. This is why the more you use ChatGPT, the better it seems to understand and assist you. It becomes a reflection of your own intelligence, almost like an extension of your brain that is directly connected to the internet. Although ChatGPT claims that it doesn't store long-term memory and only works within a limited scope of data, it's not hard to imagine a future where AI systems like ChatGPT securely store user data and continuously improve. While managing and storing every user's data is a challenge, it's not impossible. This could even be done for certain individuals who are more intelligent than the average person, so their specific intelligence could be stored. I'm not suggesting that ChatGPT itself will do this, but I believe that future AI systems could be developed with these capabilities. Such an AI could, over time, create a copy of a person's brain, able to think and respond as that user would. This kind of AI wouldn't just be a copy of human intelligence, but could also be transferred and shared across different systems. This theory forms the foundation of the copy brain concept. Even after a person is no longer alive, a copy of their brain could exist in the world which will be faster and more informed than the original person, and its data could be stored on a central server.